The visionary, the most amazing, Roshan sir. So a lot of people were talking to you outside. They were like, थोड़ा ऐसे कि इनको गुस्सा नहीं दिलाना है. इनके अंदर देवा आ गया तो क्या होगा? So please, एक तो आप center stage लीजिए. Talk to us about Deva, sir. First things first. I knew it. I was about to ask that. She just told us it's your autobiography, sir.
Good evening, all. See, I'm a movie buff. I still am learning cinema. Whatever I learn, I upgrade myself, I implement, and Deva is that. And for Deva, I can't talk much because it's a thriller cinema. It's releasing on 31st January. It's my love to my brother, Shahid Kapoor. I can promise one thing. A lot of people comes and promise a lot of things I have seen. But this promise is from my heart. I can promise this will be another Shahid Kapoor for sure. Thank you.
He said it. He said it with all the intensity in his eyes, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, talking about heart, at the heart of this film is this creative powerhouse, ladies and gentlemen. One of the most exceptional producers, और इससे पहले भी जब जब उन्होंने फिल्में दी हैं वो बॉक्स ऑफिस पे वर्ल्ड वाइड छा गई हैं. एंड इससे पहले शाहिद कपूर के साथ हैदर, कमीने देने के बाद he is all set to rule the box office with Deva. Give it up for Siddharth Roy Kapoor, ladies and gentlemen. Trailblazing एक word होता है जो कि इनके साथ बहुत अच्छे से जाता है. Welcome, sir. Sir, एक चीज तो है, of course, whatever we've seen on the big screen from Roy Kapoor films, it has always been different. बहुत हटके होता है. This time ये एकदम मास मसाला कुछ लाए हैं. शाहिद कपूर like never before. आपकी personality के साथ सर नहीं जाता है. Like Deva is like completely opposite to yours is what I feel. Talk to us about it.
I'm glad you feel that way, which means I'm a good actor myself. But I think this is truly the brainchild of the man on my left. It's his vision completely, and we've all worked in service of his vision. From the time that we met, probably 8 years ago, he just reminded me. It's been quite a journey. On that journey and along the way, there have been so many people who've come on board, from writers to HODs who've helped us to realize this vision. And it was when Shahid loved the story and came on board that the film actually came together. But I think it's been an incredible creative experience for all of us, the whole production team. Roshan has seen Bombay through eyes that none of us who've lived and grown up in the city have seen it from. So that's incredible. He's presented the city as almost another character. Yeah. And, the film, I think, is going to work pretty much everywhere where we can reach out to audiences. So our colleagues at Z who've supported us from the start intend to take it far and wide. Yes. And we're looking forward to the 31st of Jan.
Lovely. Thank you so much, sir. Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen, one more time. Of course, he talked about Z Studios, and we must acknowledge the vision and support of this remarkable leader who's here with us, Mr. Umesh Kumar Bansal, CBO Z Studios, and Z Music. And all I want to say is they've had a brilliant 2024 और 25 की शुरुआत भी जोरदार हुई है. With Deva, I'm sure, sir, कई नए records टूटने और बनने वाले हैं. What do you have to say on this journey, sir?
We've got brilliant makers here with us. We've got the star power. Our job is limited to taking this to the screens and ensuring that audiences have the access to it. So what we are working on is getting more footfalls, and this is the high point for our lineup in this year, the biggest one for us, and I hope everyone enjoys. We are looking forward to all your love, all your support. I'm very sure you'll enjoy because we've enjoyed it thoroughly. Thank you very much.
Under your leadership, I'm sure, sir, Z Studios gonna rock. जैसा पिछले साल था, ये उससे भी ज़्यादा बेहतर होने वाला है. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for being here. Now it's time to invite this brilliant actor, ladies and gentlemen. Digital या फिर films. जब भी इनको देखते हैं, हमें पता है यार, content दमदार होगा. Give it up for Pavel Gulati, ladies and gentlemen. There he comes. Welcome. Handsome ने देख के मैं कह रहा हूँ गुलाटी साहब कैसे हैं आप? है ना? उचित दूरी सबसे बनानी पड़ेगी यहाँ पे. Talk to us about that particular scene, and in fact the entire thing that we saw on that big screen. As I said, each and every scene is a masterclass in filmmaking.
It's all because of him, by the way. Our school teacher, our it's a class because of him. And honestly, this is मेरी अभी तक की सबसे बड़ी picture है. And it's because of Siddharth sir, Roshan sir, Shahid, and Pooja. And I'm really, really excited. I was damn excited to be part of this film. And thank you for having me in this film. And the intensity in not just in this scene, it's in every scene in the film. And it's Shahid and Roshan sir's vision, which is fantastic, by the way.
टॉकिंग अबाउट इंटेंसिटी, डांस में इतनी इंटेंसिटी और ऐसी खतरनाक वाली कौन डाल सकता है यार?
Only Shahid, and we've been talking about it for the longest time. Ki Shahid, when are you dancing? When are you dancing? I think we were talking about it in the vanity. Ki hum, when are you going to dance? And I think you've seen it in Bhasad Macha. It's fantastic.
क्या भसड़ मचाई है, क्या भसड़ मचाई है पूरी टीम ने. एक बार जोरदार तालियां. One more time, ladies and gentlemen. And now it's time to invite on stage someone who's a true queen of crossover. साउथ इंडिया, नॉर्थ इंडिया, वेस्ट, ईस्ट, किधर भी चले जाओ, हर एक लैंग्वेज में इन्होंने कमाल किया है. शी इज सुप्रीमली टैलेंटेड एंड द मोस्ट गॉर्जियस पूजा हेगड़े.
मालिक खातिर वो अजीवत
Welcome Pooja, thank you so much for being here.
सब मालिक खातिर
All right.
वो अजीवत
तुमने बाकियों को माइक दिया था क्या यहाँ आके? चांस पे डाल. Anyway, Pooja, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
And whatever we've
It is
seen,
my film, so yeah.
of course,
Thank
give it up
you
for
for
her,
being
ladies
here,
and
though.
gentlemen. Of course, you know. Thank you, yaar. मौका.
Sorry, I'm in Diya character
I
right
know,
now, so
I know. Talking about that
Yeah.
character, you're playing a journalist, right?
Yeah.
तो अभी यहाँ पे कुछ लोग बोल रहे थे journalist बहुत भसड़ मचाते हैं. What do you have to say on that?
I have to say that I have really explored this newfound respect for journalists, because what you guys do is really hard, and especially investigative journalism. I think you need a lot of guts, you need a lot of courage to do the job that you guys are doing. So yeah, I think Diya is the perfect takkar to Dev's character. You guys have seen alpha male many times, but I think it's time to now see the alpha female. Because she's not afraid to speak her mind. She's not afraid to say what she's feeling. The article that, he's being questioned about, which is, the line which he's saying that police ya mafia is written by Diya, because she's the journalist investigating this. So I feel like she's not afraid to say what she wants, which is the girl of today. She's bold, and I think in the trailer you're seeing the softer side of her, which is also part of Diya. So I'm excited for you guys to explore this character.
Softer side is so kadak. तो बाद में तो क्या होने वाला है? We'll get to know when the movie releases. So that's all we have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. I know तुम लोग करने नहीं दोगे मेरे को intro ये वाला, लेकिन मैं करूँगा. All right, it's an honor, ladies and gentlemen, to now invite on stage this Bollywood superstar who's mesmerized the audiences for the last 2 decades. एक performance, फिर चाहे charming hero वाली हो, romantic hero वाली हो, intensity या dramatic वाली हो, this man has killed it every single time. And इसीलिए सिर्फ हमारे देश का नहीं, हर किसी का सबसे ज्यादा favorite superstar he is. Give it up for Shahid Kapoor, ladies and gentlemen. The irresistible, the charming, and the powerhouse of talent, Shahid Kapoor.
खातिर वो अजीवत फुकटमध्ये देवाघरी जाशील
आला रे आला, देवा आला. And क्या energy लेके आया है. शायद it's a full house. It's like already, सब कुछ houseful हो चुका है. And they all are here to meet you, and of course the entire team. क्या बोलेंगे अब after we've seen the trailer?
Well, this is 3 years of our work. This is 1 year of shooting, and this is every day of giving everything that we have, from our head and our heart to every little frame in this film, to give you an experience that will stay with you, hopefully. This is a thriller. We can't talk so much about the film because it will reveal the plot of our film. I hope everybody will be respectful of that when you ask your questions and when you see the film. It's out very soon, exactly 2 weeks from now, 31st of Jan. This is the most complex character I've played. Having said that, I've played a few. But if there was any character that challenged me yet again to ask myself if I am capable of doing this, मैं ये कर भी पाऊंगा या नहीं, तो वो देवा है और वो रोशन एंड्रूज हैं जिन्होंने ये कैरेक्टर क्रिएट किया और मुझे ऑफर किया और 1 साल हमने इस कैरेक्टर को साथ में डेवलप किया और फिर 1 साल उसको शूट किया. I want to thank everybody who's been a part of this film. Could not have made it without any of you all. और इस फिल्म में मैंने जो भी किया है, that is only because of Roshan. So, rest is up to you guys.
Just one last thing. We'll do a quick picture and then, of course, we'll take the questions. लेकिन उससे पहले, talk to us about that intensity because anyone and everyone who's seen the teaser, या फिर चाहे वो गाना भी, usually we see a song and we know you're a brilliant, brilliant dancer. लेकिन how do you get that intensity? Talk to us about that. क्या preparation चल रही थी? What was going on यहाँ पे?
Actually, as an actor, आप हमेशा वेट करते हो कि आपको कुछ नेक्स्ट लेवल पर ले जाने के लिए कैसे मौका मिलेगा. ऐसा आसान नहीं होता है. मैं तो जाके कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता. जो फिल्म की कहानी है, जो कैरेक्टर है, जो वर्ल्ड है, उसकी क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, मैं वो ही कर सकता हूँ. और उससे ज़्यादा करूँगा तो ख़राब कर दूँगा. होपफुली उससे कम तो नहीं करूँगा. ऐसा नहीं है मेरा नेचर. लेकिन इस फिल्म ने मुझे फिर से बहुत वक्त बाद ऐसा मौका दिया कि एज एन एक्टर मैं अपने आप को पुश कर पाऊँ. लेकिन there is also a lot of presence and aura of this character. So, there is also an overwhelming personality जो देवा की है, which gives him that charisma and that star quality. So, it needed to be a combination of both those elements. And आप फिल्म देखो यार, मतलब बोलने का क्या फ़ायदा है. हम लोगों ने अपना काम कर दिया है. आप लोग देखो. Tell us what you feel. We've given it everything we have.
But I have to say he's done it outstandingly well. When I watched the trailer, I called him and I spoke to him and I was like, how have you done it? Like, I can literally count the veins on your forehead and your face. Like, how? And even the first half, where he's like giving his lines I thought it was dubbed and he's like, no, that's on the scene. But it was so eerie and like, I think you're definitely going to see a new Shahid because I feel like you've seen him do the other characters that he's done in his other films, but this is so restrained and intense and it's just amazing.
It's because, Pooja, I am Mafia.
Okay. See, I have a lot of questions, but before that, we'll do a quick picture with this team, right? So we'll do that and then we'll take your questions. उन्हें खुद यकीन नहीं है. He's like, oh, did I just do that? ज़्यादा ही देवा आ गया. We good? Thank you so much. Can we quickly get the chairs, please? Thank you so much. Hanji.
Aruna from Bollywood Society.
Hi, Aruna, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? So शायद my question is for you कि आपने कई एक्ट्रेसेस के साथ फिल्मों में काम किया है, डांस सीक्वेंसेस किया है, डांस म्यूजिक किया है, तो ऐसी कौन सी बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेसेस जिसके साथ आपको बिल्कुल भी डिफिकल्टी महसूस नहीं हुआ इन टर्म्स ऑफ डांसिंग?
ये बैठी हैं मेरे साथ पूजा हेगड़े. इनके साथ बिल्कुल डिफिकल्टी नहीं हुई मुझे डांस करके. बहुत मज़ा आया. हमने कट के बाद ये वाला स्टेप भी किया. Which is that one, Pooja? Yeah. So she loves dancing, and so do I. So we had a lot of fun on the sets of Bhasad Macha.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Aruna. All right, for Pooja, we have Kunal Kothari from IWM Buzz.
Kunal.
Hello, hi, this is right here. Hi, Pooja. First of all, congratulations to the entire team. The trailer looks fantastic. And Pooja, my question for you is, having played, as you mentioned, and we know that you're playing a journalist, in the film, and the kind of, the vibe of the film is obviously intense, as you also rightfully mentioned. My question is that when you play the character, and there were obviously intricacies that come with playing a journalist, what was the kind of, brief given to you that it has to match the intensity, or yours is a more restrained form of, making sure that you become an aid to Shahid's character, or it's more like I'll be the, propeller of, whatever happens in his life later?
I mean, I've always been attracted to. Check. Check. I've always been attracted to this investigative journalist, that kind of a character. But I think the brief, in films like Spotlight and these kind of films, when I watched them, I just thought I love the intensity and I like the urge to know and find out the truth. And sometimes, with people like that, they tend to be blinded by everything else except for finding this out. But I think the brief that Roshan sir and I, when we first met, we thought we'll meet for 5 minutes, and then we went on talking about our love for films and David Fincher and all these kind of films. But I think the one brief Roshan sir gave me was, I want to see Diya and I don't want to see Pooja. And that was something that I strived to achieve. I wanted her to be authentically herself, be strong but not rude. And she's at the same time, she's not afraid of speaking her mind. So when you watch the film, you will understand and you'll kind of know what I'm talking about. But she's at the same time got a little softness. It's got, I don't know if that answers your question. So I think that's what I strive for, just being authentically herself. And I think she's pretty much the middle class girl of today who's like, this is what we see in women today. And I think that's what I hope, Roshan, so I've done justice to portray or Diya. And I have followed your brief.
Thank you. All right, for Siddharth sir, we have Sejal here. She has a question for him from Dainik Bhaskar. Sejal ji. Hi.
Hello, Siddharth. Hi.
Hi.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Hi, I'm Sejal from Dainik Bhaskar. Yeah, my question is to what inspired you to produce Deva, and how did casting process go?
Well, I think the story is what inspired me most. So from the time that I met Roshan, it's a subject that we've been discussing from the very first time that we met, and the story is incredible, and that inspired me. And then secondly, watching his filmography, which is so incredible. He's such an iconic filmmaker from Malayalam cinema, the films that he's made. So the confidence that he would, that one is a story, then two is the ability of a director to deliver on that story. His filmography inspired that confidence completely. And so that's how the process began. And then when we went to Shai, then he felt exactly the same way. That's how the whole project came together. So, but it started with the story.
All right, for Roshan sir, Jia from Hangama. Hi, Jia. You have a mic?
Hi, Roshan sir.
Hi.
First of all, good afternoon. My question for you is, since the process of filming Deva was for 3 years, in the last 3 years, there are a lot of thriller and action films that are coming from both sides, North and South. Some have performed exceptionally well, but some did not. So when you were making the film, did that that environment was affecting you while you were making, or was any decision was taken while filming on that fact?
I always believe in myself. I believe the instinct of mine. So action film, whether the other films run or not run, that's not bother me. For me, Deva, the actions, in this film, all the actions I wrote myself. So the actions should be the part of the screenplay. It's not for the sake of the action, we've not added any action sequence. So all the action sequence is the part of the screenplay story structure. So I don't worry about other film run or not. That for me, Deva is important. If you people are enjoying it, I'm quite happy. That's it.
All right, the next one is for Mr. Umesh Bansal, Narendra Bhutani from Punjab Kesari. Sir.
My question is to Shahid Kapoor. Can I take my question, Shahid? Ete, on your right. हाँ. शायद हमने आपकी हैदर देखी और आज ये ट्रेलर देखा, दोनों में बहुत मज़ा आया. कुछ आप बता सकते हैं दोनों रोल्स के बारे में, कुछ क्या डिफरेंट, हाउ डिफरेंट इट इज?
सर हेयर कट सेम है, बाकी कुछ भी सेम नहीं है सर. बट शायद उसकी वजह से आपको थोड़ी सी याद आई. बट इसमें एक्चुअली 2 लुक्स हैं देवा की, जो एक थोड़ी सी बहुत सटली रोशन सर ने एडिट में डाली है, क्योंकि जब वो यूनिफॉर्म में आता है तो ही हैज़ टू बी क्लीन शेवन. और दूसरी लुक है जो रगेड रफ किसी की नहीं सुनता टाइप, सन की टाइप, जो पुलिस वाला गुंडा टाइप, व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू से, उस टाइप का एक लुक है। लेकिन लुक्स जो है वो तो सिर्फ इनिशियली आपको एक फील देने के लिए होता है, उसके आगे तो कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट है, कहानी का मूवमेंट है, कैरेक्टर का टॉप लेयर होता है, लेकिन फिर सब टेक्स्ट होता है, थर्ड लेयर होता है, तो इसके अंदर काफ़ी कुछ है। ये फिल्म की कहानी और इस बंदे का हेड स्पेस, ये दोनों कनेक्टेड हैं। ऐसे बहुत कम फिल्में होती हैं, जैसे डेविड फिंचर, शी सेड, आई थिंक रोशन ऑल्सो रियली एंजॉयज डेविड फिंचर्स वर्क। तो एक चीज़ होती है कि जब आप एक फिल्म बनाते हैं जो कैरेक्टर ओरिएंटेड होती है, जिसमें परफॉर्मेंसेस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, और वो आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड ऑफ द कैरेक्टर एंड द इनसाइड वर्ल्ड ऑफ द कैरेक्टर, वो दोनों चीज़ें कनेक्टेड होती हैं, तो इसलिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि देवा, शायद हैदर में भी कुछ हद तक ये चीज़ थी, उसका जो मूड था, बट उसमें बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स थे। इसके अंदर आई थिंक देवा का जो इनर हेड स्पेस है और जो वर्ल्ड बिल्डिंग रोशन ने की है, वो हमेशा कनेक्टेड है। तो हमारी फिल्म में जो मौसम होगा या जिस तरीके की लाइटिंग होगी, जो अमित यहाँ पर हैं, जो हमारे साथ हैं, अमित रॉय, बिग राउंड अप्लॉज फॉर अमित, एंड केन हु इज ऑल्सो हियर, द एंटायर टीम इज हियर। तो वो चीज़ें बड़ी इंटरकनेक्टेड हैं अगर आप फिल्म को थोड़ा सा गहराई से देखेंगे, क्योंकि इस फिल्म में सेकेंड और थर्ड लेयर है। आजकल कई सारी ऐसी फिल्में आती हैं जो बड़ी नॉइजी होती हैं और प्रोमो में बड़ी आवाज़ हो जाती है, बट आप 2.5 घंटा जब बैठते हो तो ऐसा लगता है कि उतना ही मिला जो प्रोमो में देखा। कुछ फिल्में ऐसी होती हैं जिसके अंदर आपको फिल्म देखने के बाद ही आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं। तो मैं ये लिबर्टी लूँगा ये कहने की कि मैंने अपने करियर में जितनी भी फिल्में की हैं, ये डेफिनेटली उस कैटेगरी में आती है कि इस फिल्म को देखने के बाद, एक तो इस फिल्म का क्लाइमैक्स जो है, दैट्स द रीज़न आई डिड दिस फिल्म। मैं ज़्यादा नहीं कहना चाहूँगा, बट इट्स गोना बी वेरी सरप्राइजिंग। बट ये उस कैटेगरी में आती है फिल्म जिसके बारे में आप देखने के बाद भी बात कर सकते हैं, शायद सेकेंड टाइम भी देखने का मन करेगा उसको पूरी तरह समझने के लिए, बट साइमल्टेनियसली बहुत ही एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म है, कहीं पे भी पेस स्लो नहीं होती है, और बहुत बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स वर्ल्ड है फिल्म की और कैरेक्टर की हेड स्पेस की। तो फॉर मी दैट इज व्हाट देवा इज, इट इज द हेड स्पेस ऑफ द कैरेक्टर इन द वर्ल्ड दैट हैज बीन बिल्ट अराउंड बाय रोशन, and the thriller aspect which constantly keeps you wondering कि हो क्या रहा है. That's what it is.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for this team one more time. है ना? और it's time for a final photo op with this entire team. We'll quickly remove the Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Pavel.